Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and access. Make sure the device is charged above 10% or is plugged in. Low battery may prevent full wake. Once done, unlock the device with your PIN, password, or biometric so settings changes apply. Next, open the Settings app or Quick System menu and locate the power saving or battery section. Don't skip unlocking. Some systems block toggles until you authenticate. Now, you're ready to change the actual power saving controls. You now change the power saving profile. Tap the power or battery settings and switch the mode from power saving to normal or performance. That restores CPU and network capacity. Then adjust screen timeout and brightness to your preferred values so the device stays active. For example, set 2 minutes or higher. If there are background app limits or CPU throttling toggles, disable those too. Once done, the device should resume full responsiveness and allow apps to run without the prior restrictions. You finish by confirming changes and testing functionality. Reboot the device to ensure the new profile is fully applied. Often a restart clears lingering restrictions. Make sure individual apps aren't still optimized for battery. Turn off app-level optimization for critical apps. If the device returns to power saving, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app forces the behavior, uninstall or update the culprit. If problems persist, note one troubleshooting tip. Reboot, then reset power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.